How to turn on Document Scan in Camera on Android. This tutorial shows you how to enable the document scanning feature directly from your camera app on your Android device. First, open the camera app on your Android device and make sure you're on the default photo mode. From there, tap the four-dot icon at the bottom right to open the camera menu. From the list that appears, tap the gear icon to go into the camera settings. Once you're in settings, scroll down until you find the Scan Text and Documents toggle and turn it on. This enables your camera to automatically detect and scan documents and printed text whenever it's in frame. Head back to the main camera screen and point your camera at any document, receipt, ID, or printed page. Your device will automatically detect the edges and highlight the area it's about to scan. When the scan prompt appears on screen, tap it, and your camera will capture a clean, cropped, and straightened version of the document. From here, you can save it directly to your gallery, copy the text if you scanned a document with writing on it, or share it right away, all without needing a third-party scanning app. Keep in mind this feature works best in good lighting and on a flat surface, so try to keep the document as steady and evenly lit as possible for the cleanest result. And that's it. If this guide helped you set up document scanning on your Android camera, smash that like button, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon so you never miss a new upload. See you in the next one.